So this is how our app looks like on the mobile phone. As we mentioned on our slides, it has just three buttons: Encode, Clear, and Decode. And it works very simple. We just type any word or sentence, and then we will ask the app to encode it. The output will be in Morse code. We can do the reverse as well. So let's try a simple word hello. So let's say encode. As you can see, it's translated the word hello to the Morse code, dots and dashes. And basically, that's how it sounds like. Yep, this was hello. So now let's try to decode it. We just copy, select all, copy, and then let's paste it here. Let's clear, and let's paste it here. And let's decode and see if the app is working, and it gives us the word hello. There you go. So the app is working, and it encodes and decodes words to Morse code. So let's clear and try a few other words. Let's try my name is Morse. Encode. Let's hear the sound of it. This was my name is Morse. And let's try decoding one more time. Select all, copy, clear, paste, and let's decode. My name is Morse. Clear. One more example. Let's say a longer sentence. I sound cool, don't I? Let's try if it can translate it. Okay. And the sound of it. This was sound of the sentence. I'm not sure if it really translated like the question mark and then the apostrophe on the word don't. So let's try to decode it and see how it works. Select all, copy, clear, copy paste, decode. Well, it does. it doesn't give the sign, the question mark sign, but it basically gave the correct sentence. So this is how the app works. Basic and simple, easy for people to send texts in Morse code, to translate what they want to say to others. It's just a fun app. Now we will continue. We'll go back to our presentation slides and we will continue learning more about the project.